Oh, sorry, officer. I thought it was someone else.
Do you speak English?
No. Oh, well, yes. Yes, I do.
Well, I'm sorry to bother you at this hour, but you see, we're after a burglar. And he ran off in this direction. And we're just checking out if you've seen or heard anything. Sir?
No, I haven't. But, no, nothing.
Is there maybe someone else in the house that could help me?
I'm afraid not. I live alone.
Well, if you see anything, would you be kind enough to contact us?
Of course. Just my dog. Go back into the kitchen. Nasty little dog. Officer, if anything happens, I'll contact you, okay? Hope you find the son of a bitch.